Hi, my name is Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm. This video is the fifth in a series about probate decedent estate court proceedings in California. In the prior videos, we discussed the ultimate goal of the process, which is transferring the assets of someone who died, the decedent, to the people who are supposed to receive them. And we discussed the first two major steps of a probate decedent estate court proceeding, which are one, getting somebody in charge of the assets, and number two, paying all valid debts. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you a special issue regarding probate decedent estate court proceedings when the decedent owned real estate. Then in the last video, we'll move on to transferring the assets of the decedent to the people who are supposed to receive them. Even though the court has put you in charge of the assets of the decedent, also known as the estate, some things that you may want to do require specific court approval. For example, you may need to sell a house. That is especially true if a house is the main asset and multiple people will be receiving it in the end. Because if you don't sell it, then the people to receive the house would end up becoming co-owners of it with each other. By selling the house, each of them will receive cash in the end instead of receiving a part interest in the house. And by receiving cash, they will not need to become intertwined with each other regarding how to manage the house. Generally, you would need to obtain specific approval from the court to sign a listing agreement with a realtor before you even get started trying to sell the house. Then the sale of the house would need to be contingent on the receiving court approval or confirmation of the sale later. So then after you have the sale, you go back to court one more time to get that court confirmation of the sale. You can take advantage of certain strategies in this area. Often we can avoid the need to obtain specific approval of the listing agreement and court confirmation of the sale, and thereby avoiding both of those court hearings. Those strategies affect the bond amount discussed in the third video. Our next and final step is transferring the assets of the decedent to the people who are supposed to receive them. I will see you in video 6, where I will be discussing just that.